Google's new age estimation tech, how it affects YouTube, your privacy. Imagine a world where your every click, every search, and every video watched could determine your age, and with it, your access to certain online content. Sounds like a scene from a dystopian movie, but it's happening right now, thanks to Google's latest experiment with machine learning-powered age estimation technology in the US. But here's where it gets controversial. Let's dive in and explore the implications. Google has been quietly testing a machine learning-powered tool designed to estimate the age of its users across all its products. The goal? To filter and tailor content according to the user's age. But how exactly does this work? Google plans to analyze data from your Google account, including your search history and the types of videos you watch on YouTube. If the algorithm decides you're under 18, you'll receive an email outlining the changes that will affect your Google experience. For those deemed underage, Google has a slew of restrictions in store. The timeline feature in Google Maps will be disabled, personalized ads will be turned off, and access to age-restricted ad categories will be blocked. Additionally, underage users will be barred from downloading adult-themed apps from the Play Store. But this is the part most people miss. Google will also activate digital well-being features on YouTube, such as break reminders and bedtime notifications to encourage healthier screen time habits. Furthermore, underage users will be prevented from repeatedly accessing content that could trigger body image issues or other harmful effects. But what if you think Google has mistakenly labeled you as underage? Fear not, for there's an appeal process. You can contest the decision by submitting a photo of your government ID or a selfie to prove your age. Simple, right? But here's the kicker. This isn't Google's first rodeo with age estimation tech. The company has already rolled out similar measures for YouTube and has been experimenting with age gating in various markets, albeit without much fanfare. Google's stance on age assurance is clear. It aims to strike a balance between allowing adults access to the information they need while protecting younger users. The company's approach combines age estimation with age verification when necessary. But here's the million-dollar question. Is this enough to ensure the safety of minors online? Or is it just another way for tech giants to control our digital lives? Other platforms aren't far behind in this age estimation race. Instagram and Roblox have also started using AI to estimate the age of their users. Lawmakers, too, are getting in on the action, with several states in the U.S. proposing or enacting laws around age gating. And across the pond, the U.K. has started enforcing online age check rules following the passage of the Online Safety Act. But here's the twist. While these measures aim to protect minors, they also raise serious privacy concerns. Are we willing to sacrifice our privacy for the sake of online safety? And this is the part most people miss. What happens when these age estimation tools make mistakes, labeling adults as minors or vice versa? The potential for harm is immense, and the implications are far-reaching. So what do you think? Is Google's age estimation technology a step in the right direction? Or is it a slippery slope towards increased surveillance and control? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a conversation about the future of online safety and privacy. Google's AI age checks, locking down underage accounts on YouTube more. Imagine waking up one morning to find that your Google account has been locked down, restricting your access to certain features and content. This might soon become a reality for some users, as Google is set to roll out its AI-powered age estimation technology to detect whether users are under 18. But here's where it gets interesting. This move is part of a broader effort to make the online world a safer place for kids and teens. Google's initiative, announced earlier this year, aims to identify underage users and apply restrictions to their accounts, including limiting content recommendations, disabling personalized advertising, and blocking access to apps meant for adults. The company plans to use machine learning algorithms to analyze user behavior, such as search history and YouTube watching habits, to determine their age. This raises important questions about online safety, privacy, and the role of tech companies in protecting their users. On one hand, this move could be seen as a positive step towards creating a safer online environment for young people. On the other hand, it also sparks concerns about the potential for misidentification and the impact on users who are incorrectly flagged as underage. And this is the part most people miss: the fact that Google will be relying on user-submitted photos and government IDs to verify age, which could potentially create new privacy and security risks. As the global push for age verification continues, with politicians and regulators calling for tech companies to take action, it's essential to consider the potential consequences of such measures. The UK, for example, has already introduced age verification requirements for certain online platforms, including social media and streaming services. But what about the potential drawbacks? Could these measures lead to a loss of anonymity online, or create new barriers for young people who rely on the internet for education, socialization, and self-expression? As Google expands its age estimation technology, it's crucial to weigh the benefits against the potential risks and consider the impact on different groups of users. So we have to ask, do you think AI-powered age checks are a necessary step towards creating a safer online world? Or do they pose a threat to user privacy and autonomy? Share your thoughts in the comments below.